Hello my creatives, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Joladone Crochets channel, where we express fashion through yarn. Today I am rocking this beautiful cardigan that was designed by me a while back now, and I'm decided that I'm going to rock it with this beautiful white tasseled circle bag. Alright, so I normally like to wear my crochet outfit when I'm going out. I'm one of those persons who just enjoy wearing my brand out. You know, I really love to represent me and represent my own brand. And this is something that I also enjoy wearing. It's very cool, it's very light, and it's very casually elegant. And it's something that I really like to wear when I'm going out, especially if I'm just going out to have a nice little outing with my family or so on. So if you are interested in learning how to crochet this cardigan and to make this bag, please put it in the comment section. I do look forward to your comments. I do look forward to hearing from you, because crochet is something that I really like to do. I've been doing this from I was 13 years of age. So it's something that's not pretty new to me. It's something that I've mastered over the years. And I've decided that I needed a platform to share this craft with the world. You know, I wanted to showcase my talent and also to teach others, because I realized that there is a growing community, which is the crochet community, and a lot of persons out there are really interested in learning how to crochet, right? And learning how to be creative, right? And this is something that I really wanted to put forth, to bring out there, and to just share this talent with all of you guys, right? So if you're interested in learning how I made this beautiful fringe cardigan, and I also made this headband to match it. So if you are interested in learning how to make these things, I have no problem in showing you, right? So don't forget to like my channel, to subscribe to my channel, and to share my video, right? And also I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section. So look forward to more videos, and there are more videos to come on these creative crochet items. So stick and stay, don't delay, press the subscribe button and subscribe to Joladone Crochets. Have a blessed day. Bye.